guys, today I have Beauty by Francesca. This is a self-care subscription which runs $29.99 monthly. You can cancel at any time. For $29.99, you do receive 5 to 6 handmade natural and organic skincare products. These products are handcrafted soaps, body butters, lotion bars, bath salts, body oils, shower steamers, bath bombs, body scrubs, accessories, and more. And they are all high-quality, fresh ingredients from plant oils, butters, herbs, clays, salts, and essential oil. All right, so let's go ahead and get into September 2022 Beauty by Francesca. Now, this always comes to me the first week of the month. I'm just a little bit behind on unboxing this. Okay, so the first thing I see is that say Namaste? Beginning yoga poses. And then the card, which is Namaste, means greetings to you. And it has information about the products, so I'll go ahead and read along with that as I open the products. And unfortunately, if this has information or products for yoga, yoga is something I cannot do, which I'm not in good enough health to do it. Some people just don't understand that, but yeah, I can't do those stretches with my back. So anyway, let's see what's inside. Alrighty, so looks like an essential oil, meditation oil, and this is a blend of lavender, frankincense, sweet orange, and cedarwood that promotes full body relaxation. Apply the Namaste, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, meditation blend to temples, wrists, and along the soles of the feet prior to yoga practice or sleep. The pores on the feet are the largest of the body and are highly absorbent. Smells very nice. But again, I have cats, so essential oils isn't something that I typically can use. Now this is the ginger orange with turmeric handmade soap. Oh, smells amazing. And this is an artisan crafted soap with skin brightening turmeric and a spicy sweet blend of orange and ginger essential oils, which will help set the mood for a bright, focused, and energetically balanced workout. And this is something that I use monthly. I love her soaps. This smells amazing. Okay, looks like a candle. And it smells nice. This is meditation candle, can help you set the mood for your yoga practice. Use it to create a soothing ambience in the room or to add a focus point or focal point meditation. Focal point meditation, also known as single point meditation, is a meditation method that helps to calm and stabilize the mind when you feel anxious, nervous, or stressed out. To practice, find a space and start off with 5 minutes of focus and concentration on the candle. The goal is to stop your mind from wandering by focusing on a single point, the candle. Candles are something that I don't regularly use, but something about the scent of this smells really nice, and I think I really do want to use this candle. I mean, right away, it smells amazing. All right, so yeah, this is a yoga strap. It's as you progress in your yoga practice, you may find a yoga strap useful. It can help with deepening your stretches and allow you to practice poses in the correct alignment while reducing the risk of injury. Okay, so one last item, and it would be the Namaste matches to go along with the candle. So, not my favorite box, but I guess it had to happen sometime. It's not a bad box. I love the soap, and if I'll probably end up using the candle. The yoga strap and the oil is something I probably won't be able to use, although I did just put some oil on just to smell it, and it smells amazing. And it only has 4 items. Maybe they felt that this was a special box with the strap or something. I'm not sure, because I've always had at least 5 items. But anyway, that is the September Beauty by Francesca. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'm going to go ahead and put a link to Beauty by Francesca if anyone wants to check it out in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.